Cătălina Monulești area. Welcome to Cătălina Monulești area, part of Rosia Montana UNESCO tour, in the area where underground lies the Cătălina Monulești Gallery, while on the surface there are urban-style dwellings. Through the land occupation mode and the presence of historically related rural functions, it represents an important component of this diversified ensemble. The Rosia Montana UNESCO audio tour contains several landmarks that will guide you on your walk and help you discover this village and its history. Each landmark has a QR code that, once photographed with your mobile phone, will open a web platform sharing the very story of the landmark you are looking at. You will discover our fascinating history and even learn secrets. The buildings of Cătălina Monulești area show a clear concern for treating the facades facing the public space while preserving the essence of the traditional layout, rooms facing the street and the courtyard towards the inside of the plot. The house with buttresses, or the Hennis house, stands out, as its name suggests, for the structural solution of adapting to the terrain by punctuating the corners with massive masonry, an atypical solution for the area. If you look closely at the house, you will notice the profile of a bricked-up tunnel through which the water used to pass from the gold processing stamp mills above and fed the stamp mills below. You will learn the story of these stamp mills in detail shortly. The house with buttresses was once the headquarters of the gold gendarmes, who were responsible for the security of the gold galleries to prevent them from being looted by thieves, or holangări, as they were called in the village. One of the gendarmes' duty was to make evening rounds in the village. They would ride around the houses and call out the names of the people living here. All suspicious individuals had to be at home in the evening. If the next day it was heard that gold has been stolen from a gallery, all those who were not at home during the calling were considered suspects and were investigated. Let's move on to the buildings to the left of the house with buttresses. Here, you'll encounter the house with the Baroque roof and historical ironwood on the windows containing the miner's symbol in embroidery, and farther to the left, you'll notice the Seke house, which also has the miner's symbol built into the facade. The inclusion of this symbol in all these details, even on the tombstones in the cemeteries, shows us that the profession of a miner had a certain status, was respected and considered a source of pride in those times. Let's return to the main street alongside which flows the Rosia stream, locally known as Foieș. Over the bridge you can find the Cătălina Monulești gallery system dating back to the Roman times and now closed. There, well-preserved Roman wax tablets were discovered, a rare find. One tablet dated February 6, 131 confirms the existence of Rosia Montana and its Roman name Alburnus Maior, making it one of the oldest documented localities in Romania. These tablets, made of wooden planks filled with beeswax and inscribed with a stylus, provide valuable socio-economic, demographic and linguistic insights into the Roman Empire. They are preserved in museums in Romania and beyond. The Rosia stream, locally known as Foieș, played a crucial role in operating the stamp mills powered by water from artificial reservoirs called tăuri. From ancient times until 1948, over 240 stamp mills installations in Rosia Valley were powered by water from these reservoirs used to crush ore and separate gold. Water management was meticulous as it determined the success of miners' work, sometimes leading to disputes. Stamp mills were essential in the gold extraction process, and visitors can explore their world further up the street at the stamp mills and the forge site. You have listened to the content dedicated to Cătălina Monulești area. The UNESCO tour of Rosia Montana is a project implemented by the non-governmental organization Rosia Montana în Patrimoniul Mondial. The audio tour is co-financed by Romania's Administration for National Cultural Funds. We based our storytelling on local anecdotes and the works listed on the bibliography on our website. We encourage you to follow the trail that we prepared for you via our website. This will ensure that you discover all objects and their stories of Rosia Montana. Have a pleasant journey and drum bun, as we say here.